My name's Tom Pitera, CEO of Hendrix Foodservice Equipment. We are a combination of two legacy companies that combined have over 100 years of experience in the servicing the industry. We had Russell Food Equipment and Hendrix, and over the last 2 years we put both of these businesses together, and candidly what we bring to the marketplace is geographic scope. Okay, we go from Halifax all the way to Victoria. We bring branded products, private brand products, and a whole suite of value-added services to the industry. We like to think of our ability as a provider to be able to do cradle to grave for a customer, start to finish. So we're seeing emerging brands come to the marketplace, and our approach to dealing with them is we will sit down with that operator and we'll understand what their menu is going to be and how they are planning to go to market and the products they're bringing or that they're looking to take to the marketplace. And we will design for them the kitchen that actually fits the menu and the products and the way they want to approach the marketplace. So our design really starts with understanding their business model, and then we bring all of these resources. We can bring products, branded products. We can bring private label products if they're looking for a value proposition. We talk to them about how do you service those products and how do we keep those products operational. We talk to them about emerging trends in terms of technology being integrated into these products that you see here at the show today. And we train them on what the market looks like today and the products look like today, but how could they be using those products tomorrow? We're seeing the QSR market starting to address healthy menus. And again, it comes down to understanding what that operator is looking to do and how they are going to do it across their network of units, of operational units. The technology that we have built into the products today, or that is built into the products today, allows us to look across their network of units and to be able to be very, very consistent in the way that product is made within each of their kitchens. They can download recipes so that those recipes are consistent, time, temperature. We can put product into their facilities that allow them to modify their menus and to be able to cook multiple items in the same oven, but different type of menu items, and cook those items at different times, different temperatures, so that they can be very, very flexible, but yet very efficient, very effective in terms of servicing the needs of their customer, exceeding and delivering a quality product to the consumer and to their customer, because that's what it's all about, right? It's getting the best product onto that table in the most effective and efficient manner possible. So my outlook on the industry really is in a couple of different ways, right? We're seeing a shift. When you look at the Canadian marketplace in total, what we would call multi-unit or chain restaurants, they are growing and they're taking more share of the diners' dollars. And the independent operators are actually, from our data, show that they're shrinking and have been shrinking over the last 3 to 5 years, okay? And so as we look at those trends, we have to anticipate what are the needs of both of those channels and how do we address those needs better. It's all about today data analytics. For us, we have to understand, we deal with 20,000 customers today. We not only provide them the equipment and sell them the equipment, we service that equipment, and we have the parts ready if that equipment should go down. The ability to anticipate what's happening in that equipment is becoming really, really critical. And some of that technology is already being built in. Technology is monitoring compressors today. Technology is monitoring temperature in units today, refrigeration units today. And if something's not going right, the system notifies the operators so that the operator can step in before there's a major failure, and before they have a walk-in box or a freezer that goes warm for overnight. It allows them to be able to address that. The data that we are able to bring and the technology that we're able to bring to those operators is really critical. On our side, we use the data to decide what products do we need and what assortment do we need by market. The transactional data that we have for 20,000 customers allows us to see trends. What's happening in individual marketplaces, what's happening within individual type operators, and so that we can anticipate what they are going to need, because we see it in an operator over here, or we see it in 40 operators over here, and we know that this operator who has a very similar business is going to need very much the same capabilities. So I think it's about technology, I think it's about data utilization, and candidly being able to react very, very quickly with the right products, the right services, and in order to service the marketplace overall.